Yun. Good morning. So, unang BG ng araw. Ay, pangalawa pa lang. Kanina talo tayo guys. Anyway, nasa defense tayo. So, dahil nasa defense tayo, keep in mind na okay lang mamatay. As long as you left. Huwag naman palagi mamatay, pero okay lang mamatay. Your death doesn't matter. Gaya niyan. Patay ka. Patay na yan. Patay ka na. Huwag ka na bubuhay. Ayun. Buhay pa pala. Patay yung bar na yan. Patay yung bar na yan. Patay yan. Bumalik ka pa talaga. Ikaw ba yun? Oops! 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 Pag binabalas ka nga naman. Na lang. Okay. Kunin niyo yung mga health globe. Health globe will save your life. Magbuburaot kayo sa health globe. Sakit naman ng DOT niya. Kita niyo yun, 16,000. That's konti lang buhay ko. Try to spread your dots lang. Then play defensively. So, ano ginagawa ko is try to test my damage. Kung feeling ko medyo masakit ako, kaya nakita nyo 44k. So pag nag-gauge ko na kung ano yung damage ko against the enemies, doon na magdedepende yung playstyle ko, kung magdadive ba ako or defense lang. Kita nyo yan, Stormbolt. Ganda ng Stormbolt talaga. Maganda siya sa Wiz, pero para sa akin mga gems ko na ako, maganda pala yung Stormbolt na tapos lagyan mo ng Starfire Shard or Bow of the Deep. Para sarap na. Hala, nayawa na. Bakalan yung tao. Ba't wala akong kasama dito? Cute. Guys, we're having kills na hindi na rin alam saan galing. 1-on-1 with this Blood Hunter. Ayun, wasak si Idol. Wasak naman si Idol. Kitas naman si Idol sa kanya. Kita nyo yung Stormbolt? Kita, oh. Low, apat patay natin yan. Napulin natin yan kung hindi tayo. Kasi ayun, napatay na niya. Aray. Ayun guys, what a kill. What a good morning. Pero dito pa rin tayo doon kasi your kills doesn't matter kung hindi mo naman nalilip na maayos. Don't engage. Kita niyan? Don't engage in my side. Untik akong ma-washing machine. Sakit na lang. Kita mo na, cancel ng bandage ko. I'm not sure what's canceling my bandage. Yung DOT ba? Or yung Grace of the Vigilant set ba yun? Pag nag-advance sila, I try to step on the idol. Ayun na naman. Kita niyo yung Starfire Shard na nag-pop out of nowhere. Kita niyo yung kanina. Oh my god! Washing machine ako. See? I got killed. I don't know from where. Ganun. Yan, nag-buraot kayo sa health globe. Guys, go in. Go in. Then you go in. Then ubusin yung backlines and get that backlines. Ayan. Get the shit. Get that shit. Habulin mo yan. Chase that shit. You are dead. You advance. Step on the idol. Map awareness. Oops, don't go in with the washing machine of the wizard. Then you go in now. See the storm bolt, guys. The storm bolt works wonders. And don't chase too much. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Try to keep in the pressure. Pressure lang na pressure. Aray! Oops! Nakalabas sa washing machine. Then you wreak havoc to their team. As you can see, 1 minute and they're almost pushing us on the right side. 1-on-1 with this barb. After you do the 1-on-1, try to heal. And then assess the map. Did not see that coming. At Tempest I will. Akin ka boy. And we try to help left side. Aray. No. Forward. Bansad. I'm dying. My god. Wait lang. Chill your pussy. There's one on the left. I'm 14 seconds with 1/4 of my HP versus full HP of this Mega Godzilla. I am the Mega Jamba Godzilla. Godzilla versus a bird. 0 HP versus Mega Godzilla. Sabay na tumba. Ayun, panalo tayo guys. Nice. 20-06. Sarap. Ay, namatay ako. Humabol pa. Ayun. So, yun lang muna. Shout out. Wala. Shout out lang. Shout out to myself.